Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to connect your watch to Wi-Fi, first wake up the screen by tapping on the screen or by pressing the Chrome button. Once the screen wakes up, press the Chrome button to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the Wi-Fi option. And once you find it, select it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. As you can see, I already have the connected network, or rather my watch is connected to a network. But if you want to connect to a network, tap on Add Network. It will show you the list of networks that are available, basically. You can find the network you like. And once you find it, you can tap on it. And if it's password protected, it will require you to enter the password, of course. And you can do it on the watch directly or on the phone. I prefer the phone option because it's more convenient. Basically, on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see the pop-up. You can enter the password and then tap on Connect, which is quite convenient. On the watch, it's a bit more annoying to enter, in my opinion. But once you enter the password and it's correct, it should connect to the network like this. And once it is connected, it means that the watch is connected to that network. And the network will also appear on the list of saved networks right here. And here we have the list of networks that are saved on our watch. And basically, the watch will try to connect to them automatically if it's in vicinity and the Wi-Fi is enabled. And if the network has the strongest signal, it will connect to it for the best internet connection. Okay, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.